Hey everyone, it's story time again, and I have a book for you called Pete the Cat and His Magic Sunglasses, written by Kimberly and James Dean. Can you make a connection if you've heard of this story and character before? All of us should be making connections. You know why? Because we have read Pete the Cat stories, and during the first week of school, we even painted one of Pete the Cat's shoes, and we even cut a little Pete the Cat from there. Do you remember? Right? That's called text-to-self connection or text-to-text connection because you've heard of the same story or book before. Remember to read with active listening ears. Remember to stop and think. Remember to use the pictures to guess. And think of words that you don't know. Use the pictures to help you. Use the words around the unknown words to help you. Okay, here we go. Pete the cat was not happy. Pete had never, ever been grumpy before. Pete had the blue cat blues. What's the weather? I wonder why he has the blue cat blues. What does it mean to be blue? What would you be on the mood meter if you were blue? It would be sad, right? I wonder why. Do you think it's because it's raining? Do you think he's having a bad day? Let's find out. Then, as if things were not bad enough, along came Grumpy Toad. Grumpy Toad was never happy. He always wore a frown. What's a frown? Look at his face. Opposite of a smile, right? But Grumpy Toad was not grumpy today. He said, "These cool blue magic sunglasses make the blues go away. They help you see things in a whole new way." Pete put on the cool blue magic sunglasses. He looked all around. "Right on," he said. "Birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining. I'm feeling all right." You hear the rhyming words in there? Bright, all right, rhymes. Pete thanked Grumpy Toad for the cool blue magic sunglasses. He went on his way and soon he saw Squirrel. Squirrel did not look happy. Pete said, "What's wrong, Squirrel?" "I'm so mad. Nothing is going my way. I only found one acorn today." Okay, stop and think about those rhyming words. Today, way, rhymes. Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Squirrel put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. "Awesome! The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining. I'm feeling all right." Pete said goodbye to Squirrel and continued on his way. He saw his friend Turtle. Turtle did not look happy. "What's wrong, Turtle?" Pete asked. "What's wrong, Turtle? Look at Turtle. Is that the way turtles are supposed to move? Is that the way turtles are supposed to be? How they are?" "I'm so frustrated. Nothing is going my way. I'm all upside down today." Pete said, "Try these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way." Look at the sun again. Do you notice something about the sun? Turtle put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and he looked all around. Far out. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining. I'm feeling all right. Pete kept rolling along until he saw Alligator. Alligator did not look happy. "What's wrong, Alligator?" Pete asked. "I'm so sad. Nothing is going my way. No one wants to play with me today." Way, rhymes. Look at him. Can you tell just by looking at the clues on his face that he's not happy? Pete said, try on these cool blue magic sunglasses. They help you see things in a whole new way. Just watch. You think he's going to try them on? Alligator put on the cool blue magic sunglasses and looked all around. Rockin'. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling all right. Pete was rolling along and feeling all right when suddenly he fell back. Oh no! The cool blue magic sunglasses went crack. Uh-oh, Pete didn't know what to do without his sunglasses. Oh no. Stop and think, what is going to happen? What is going to happen? Just then, Pete looked up at the tree. Wise, old owl said. Wise, what does it mean to be wise? Right? It means to be very, very smart, right? Wise old owl said, Pete, you don't need magic sunglasses to see things in a new way. Just remember, look for the good in every day. Look for the good in every day. Pete looked around without his sunglasses. Too cool. The birds are singing, the sky is bright, the sun is shining. We're feeling all right. Look at all the characters. Toad and squirrel and the owl, alligator, turtle that's not upside down anymore. And that's the end of the story. So what did you realize that Pete realized? Did he really need sunglasses to have a good day? Do you need sunglasses to have a good day? Right? What did wise old owl tell him? Right? He says, you don't need sunglasses to see things in a new way. Just remember, look for the good in every day. Hope you like that story. And I want you to remember, no matter what you're doing, whether you're doing things at home with your family, or reading a book, or doing online learning, or anything like that, watching videos, I want you to remember, try to look for the good in every day. And you don't need sunglasses to do that, right? You just need to have this and lots of this. See you guys next time. Thanks for listening.
The world is a rainbow that's filled with many colors. Yellow, black, and white and brown, you see them all around. The world is a rainbow with many kinds of people. It takes all kinds of people to make the world go round. Now you be you and I'll be me. That's the way we were meant to be. But the world is a mixing cup. Just look what happens when you stir it up. The world is a rainbow with many kinds of people. And when we work together, it's such a sight to see. The world is beautiful when we live in harmony. Just look what happens when